today's supposed to be Vlogmas day 5, but saying that there's nothing exciting happening today. I literally have been home the whole time, and the time right now is 2:26. So I'm just heading to the gym because why not? I'm going to be doing some abs workout, and I have my bottle here. It literally says "C'est la fucking vie." Life is fucking beautiful.
But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
So hi vlog, I'm actually just rushing out right now. I'm taking myself out. Remember I told you guys that I'm going to do something fun this new week. I'm actually only gonna get my hair done tomorrow, but I still have my wig on, the makeup done so nicely. And I'm wearing this top again from my SHEIN haul, and this jeans from Zara. To just show you what the jeans look like. It's this wide-legged jeans, and yeah, a nice quick face beat. And I'm actually rushing now because my Uber is waiting for me downstairs. I don't think I'll vlog because I don't want to take my camera with me. But yeah, I'll definitely update you guys when I get back, okay? Love ya. So it's a wide legged jeans from Zara, and I'm just going with this bag, and face is sitting pretty. So yeah, I shouldn't take too long actually, so I'm just going for like lunch and drinks. So yeah. And when I tell you I went through it today, The only breakfast I had today was oats and coffee. I didn't even finish the coffee, okay? I am tired, okay? But at least we got a few things done. I literally just came back home. But hey vlog, I am Oluwatogreat, and this is going to be Vlogmas 05. Do not mind the stains. It's actually the water from my hair when I just got it done. Because remember I told y'all last week that this week was gonna be fun. I just couldn't vlog in the salon, like there's people there and I don't want to just bring out my camera. I just don't like it when people feel uncomfortable, because I wouldn't like to feel uncomfortable, you know what I'm saying? So let's just do a quick haul of what I got. So I didn't really get much of anything. I'm tired. I wish I could sit down here. Like I need to invest in those high chairs, but anyways, y'all don't care like that. So I got these lashes. I just want to make sure y'all see it. Yeah, I got these lashes. They are 6D. Because I don't really like long lashes like that anymore. I like them to be like whimsical and just cute and small. Then I also got like eyelash glue to go with it. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then okay, yeah, I got them from SKIMS. This is not sponsored, but yeah, I got them from SKIMS. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then I don't know, remember y'all, I told you the last time, I think it was a Vlogmas 2 or 3, or was it 2, that I was going to go to CBD to get like my jacket, because like they gifted me something, a voucher from the Fix. So I finally went and I got this. I used to have this jacket, but like I had to let go of it. Y'all don't want to know why. I had to let go of the jacket, but here it is. I was actually recording in store in the fitting room, right? And my camera stopped recording at some point because I had fitted a size 8, but it was small. So I told him to let me try a size 10, which is this one right now, which is also small, because if I had gotten a size 12 it would have just been too big. And okay, I'm a grown woman now, I'm exuding femininity, okay, so I had to go for something that was, you know, flattering and all that. So I decided to stick with a size 10, and I like what it's giving. Like, it's not too tight, it is kind of still small, but like it's not as small as size 8 and it's not as big as size 12. So I like it a lot. Like, I like it a lot, and I can always like do this with it to make it even more like flattering if I wanted. So yeah, it is currently summer in South Africa, but you can also wear this in summer. Like, you can wear it in winter, you can also wear it in summer, in my opinion. Obviously when I wear it in summer right now, I'm not gonna like zip it up or anything. And we do get rainy weather. Like right now it's raining, and if you're out late you're gonna need a jacket. So it's just gonna be like this. So I absolutely love it. It's not like crazy tight or anything. So yeah, that's my mini haul. It's my mini haul. What I want to do right now is make something to eat. I am very hungry, and thank God there's no one around me, because I was gonna be moody as fuck. Okay, so yeah. So like, ladies, just beware of low budget toxicity, low budget gaslighters, low budget, low vibrational people. Like, there's a lot of them out there, especially boys. So yeah, I just like to put it out there, okay? Okay, so another thing that might happen is me going to the gym today, because I literally didn't go yesterday. But like, this vlog is gonna be, oops, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But anyway, this vlog is gonna be for like 2 days, I think, because I didn't vlog yesterday or the day before yesterday. So it's gonna be 3 days worth of vlog, but it's still gonna be like Vlogmas 5, but like 3 days type of things. I'm just gonna put everything together. I wasn't really doing much the day before yesterday, so I didn't vlog. I just vlogged my gym outfit, and then yesterday I did go out, but I didn't vlog because, again, like, cameras are not allowed. And then today I didn't vlog everything that I was doing, so I'm just gonna give you like a recap like I'm doing right now. But yeah, I might go to the gym later. So yeah, I want this video to be up tonight so that you guys can see it tomorrow morning. So thank you guys for the love that you're showing on Vlogmas 1. If you haven't seen Vlogmas 1, make sure you go check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. Thank you guys, like, that's like epic for me. Thank y'all. Like, I'm thankful to y'all. Like, I'm absolutely thankful.